Hey, so I am recording this video to show the YouTube OAuth flow for adding a YouTube account to our website mushroom.gg. So the URL for adding the OAuth flow or the user account is uh, just auth YouTube connect. So this is just a URL which is on our backend side to lead the user to the OAuth flow. So once we go to this URL, it takes us to the OAuth flow, and let's look at the URL of the OAuth, so which should have the client ID. So this has the client ID, and let us just make sure that this is the client ID for our production OAuth client ID, which has been registered on the Google API console. So let's copy this URL, and then this is the client ID that we have asked for verification. So this is the same client ID that we have registered for verification, which is shown in the URL. And then once the user picks an account, uh, the channel is automatically selected. The user sees a prompt of what data we are going to access. So in our particular case, we are just requesting access to the YouTube.read only scope. So this shows that we are just trying to access as read only the user's videos and the channel name. And once the user allows us or authorizes us to do so, then the user will be redirected back to mushroom.gg. So let's see, there's a notification saying that my account was successfully connected, and then we use this data to show the user's channel name on their mushroom.gg profile. So here my channel name is Ajit Kumar, and which is shown here, and then there's a link to the user's YouTube channel here. So if someone clicks on this YouTube profile, then we take the user to their YouTube channel. So this channel does not have any content right now, but this is the channel. So this is how we're using the data to get the user's channel name, and this would not